Yes, welcome to SST class, dear students. First of all, make sure that in yesterday I have sent a PDF of exercise, and in exercise it is written as true, but it was wrong in PDF. It is false. Okay, so please make it correct. Now our next task is to discuss the question answer. First of all, let's see. We will do question first, third, fourth, fifth of short answer type and all the long question. Okay. So let's start. Our first question is, what is an FIR? So to do this answer, please come to page number 259. Page number 259. In summary, the third point is the FIR is filled to formally register a crime that has been committed is called FIR. Is that clear? Now the next question. Second question we are going to skip, and third question. For the third question, please note down on the same page, page number 259. The topic is role of the public prosecutor. The first line, the police start investigating a case once the FIR is filed at the police station. This is the short answer, third. Okay, from this point to this point. And answer fourth is started from the fourth line of this paragraph. When the investigation is complete, the accused is produced before the court which hears the case and passes a verdict based on the facts of the case and the evidence is produced. This is short question fourth. And one more question is there. This is the answer of long question second. Okay, from the public prosecutor to aspects of the case. तो आपको ये क्वेश्चन, ये पूरा जो है आपका, ये आपका लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन रहेगा. और डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ तक आपका शॉर्ट आंसर थर्ड है और ये आपका शॉर्ट आंसर फोर्थ रहेगा. और इसके बाद दिस इज शॉर्ट आंसर फिफ्थ. Commissioner of police is the head of the police force in a state. This is short answer fifth. Now we have discussed long question second here. Now move to the question number first. This is the long answer first. Complete topic, procedure for filling an FIR. First of all, write down the heading and then this complete paragraph from in to complainant. Okay, you will write down this complete paragraph. This is your long answer first. Second already we have discussed, and now long answer fourth. First of all, write down the topic, hierarchy of the police force in India, then the complete topic. You will start it from the commissioner of police is the head of police force in state, और यहाँ से लेकर के आपको ऊपर ये आपका टॉपिक ख़त्म हो रहा है सो ऑन तक, यहाँ तक आपको कंप्लीट टॉपिक राइट करना है. ओके, दिस इज योर लॉन्ग आंसर फोर्थ. एंड लॉन्ग आंसर फिफ्थ इज same as it is. You will write down the heading, function of the police, and the complete paragraph. This is your short answer fifth. Now let's move to the short answer third. I have cut a little portion, that's why I have written it in PDF form. So dear students, by mistake number 2 is written there. Actually it is question number third. Okay, so you will write it from the person to action. The person can approach High Court and file a petition which direct the police to register a case. सबसे पहले पर्सन हाई कोर्ट में अप्रोच कर सकता है अगर एक पुलिस जो है वो उसके केस को रजिस्टर करने से मना कर दे तो। इफ़ पुलिस ऑफिशियल रिफ्यूज़ द एसपी ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट शुड बी ब्रॉट टू नोटिस। और अगर पुलिस जो ऑफिसर है, यहाँ पे ऑफिसर आएगा डियर, ये ठीक कर लेना, मिस्टेक होगी अगेन से। अगर पुलिस ऑफिसर रिफ्यूज़ कर दे तो जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट का एसपी होता है उसको उसके खिलाफ नोटिस भेजा जा सकता है। मोरओवर अ फॉर्मल कंप्लेंट कैन बी लॉन्च्ड एट द कोर्ट। और इसके अलावा कोर्ट के अंदर एक फॉर्मल कंप्लेंट भी लॉन्च की जाती है। In the case still doesn't get registered continue in 24 hours, the magistrate can start a description action। और अगर 24 घंटे के अंदर अंदर केस फाइल नहीं किया जाता, पुलिस वाला जो है केस रजिस्टर नहीं करता, एफआईआर नहीं लिखता, तो फिर कोर्ट की तरफ से उसके ऊपर एक्शन भी लिया जाता है। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ऑफिसर आएगा, ये एक मिस्टेक है, ये ठीक कर लेना डियर। So this is answer third. Okay, we have discussed all the question first, third, fourth, fifth of short answer type and all the long first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Now you will write down these question answer into your fair notebook and learn them also.